What is the scene like at Diwali at the Padukone residence?
My mother right now must be going crazy sending South Indian sweets for everyone.
Really?
That's been the tradition for many, many years. In fact, I was just mentioning to someone, I said, it's been such a tradition for so many years. It's the same packing, it's the same box, it's the same mithai, very, very specific things that go out from our house. I think one year my mother tried to experiment and be cool, and she was like, oh, let's send brownies or something different. And all her friends called and said, we don't want brownies, please from next year, please send us the same South Indian sweets that you've been sending us for all these years. So we've gone back to that. But Diwali for us usually, it's almost like, it's so ingrained in our system of like, it's the same diyas, it's, the lighting, it's almost like clockwork. Everything happens because we as children we've celebrated it for so many years. But there's so much joy in doing that. You know the process. You know कि इसके बाद ये होगा, फिर ये करेंगे, and each person has a responsibility.
That's true.
So my sister will be in charge of something, my mother will be in charge of something, my father's in charge. Each one of us has a role and a responsibility.
What are you in charge of usually?
I'm in charge of the diyas. I'm in charge of doing a little bit of the rangoli, which I do even for Holi. And I'm in charge of helping my mother make the boxes, because we don't get the ready-made boxes. We actually make the cardboard boxes, which we fold. So I help her make that and put the sweets in together. I'm feeling really bad for her this time because she has to do it on her own, or maybe my sister will help her. But
और क्या दीपिका मतलब पत्ते अच्छा खेलती है?
जी नहीं,
बिल्कुल नहीं. Like you'll always lose.
I'm usually where the food counter is. That's where I am.
You know your place, right? The way to Deepika's heart is through the stomach.
Absolutely.
And a message from your side on this Diwali to everybody who's watching.
Let's celebrate this Diwali like we've never done before. I think we all deserve it. But be safe, and wishing all of you lots of joy, lots of happiness, lots of love, and see you very, very soon in the theatre.